Hi, my name is Thomas Maurer, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Microsoft Sovereign Cloud MicroHack. We're going to have a look on what it is, what a MicroHack is, and how you can leverage it, in this case, to build your sovereign cloud skills around the Microsoft Sovereign Public and the Microsoft Sovereign Private Cloud. So stay tuned. So a few weeks ago, I was basically able to announce the availability of the Microsoft Sovereign Cloud MicroHack, which we have built by a great team across Microsoft to help really people to get skilled with the Microsoft Sovereign Cloud solutions. And so for those who are not aware, MicroHack is really a focused, basically hands-on workshop, really designed for engineers, architects, IT pros, and also developers to really build practical skills, solving real technical challenges to a specific topic. Now, in this case, we're really addressing the Microsoft Sovereign Cloud, and we learn about the core concepts of it. We learn about technical controls and actually how to implement them. And they are like different tutorials. We call them challenges in the MicroHack, which you then go through to actually try these things out and get the hands-on experience. Again, in this case, we're focusing as well on the Microsoft private as well as on the public cloud solutions when it comes to sovereign cloud. And usually also mentioned for these microhacks, Microsoft and their partners in many cases deliver these as events, which you can register for. And I will talk about that in just a bit. But you can also use this by yourself as self-paced learning experience. So you can go through and take these tutorials and walk through these guides and basically learn from it. Now, in this MicroHack, we have currently, when I'm releasing this video, we have 6 challenges which we go through. The first one is really about enforcing sovereign controls within Azure, thinking about Azure policy, but then also talking about sovereign landing zones. Now, for sovereign landing zones, you might need a little bit more time. So in this MicroHack, we're just focusing on Azure policy and how you can use that to basically really be in control of your cloud environment. Then we have a couple of sessions on basically encryption. So using encryption at rest with customer managed keys with Azure Key Vault, how to basically use encryption in transit by enforcing TLS. And then we also have basically challenges across Azure Confidential Compute. So in one case, we're going to look at how can you use VM-based confidential compute, which is really designed for encryption in use. And then also the same thing for also container and application-based confidential compute. And then the 6th challenge is really about a hybrid environment or on-premise environment using Azure Local for our sovereign private cloud story, and also using Azure Arc to control and manage your servers, your Kubernetes clusters, and enforcing policies around these scenarios so that customers who basically leverage both the public and the private cloud can take advantage of this. So to go basically to this MicroHack, there's a URL, aka.ms Sovereign Cloud MicroHack, and that will take you to the Git repo where you can find all the different challenges and walkthroughs. And I will show you that in just a bit. You will also get some architecture diagrams and so on, how they work. We also, as I mentioned, have certain events. So I listed a few of them here. There are more upcoming, but for those we already know, there are some events which were just taking place, but there are also additional ones coming up. And so once you click on these links, you will be able to basically register and sign up for these events at your Microsoft Office third-party location, wherever this event is going to happen. Again, if you're interested in also creating these events, please feel free to reach out. But also, you can obviously leverage these microhacks also to deliver to your customers, to your partners, internally within your company, wherever you need it. And we are constantly refreshing the microhacks. We're improving, we're fixing bugs if there are any, basically to make sure that everything works correctly and that we're really having an up-to-date story. So again, the one place to go is aka.ms Sovereign Cloud MicroHack. And that is where you can find basically the repository for all the microhacks as well. So there are obviously different other microhacks, not just for Sovereign Cloud, but this one is specifically for the Sovereign Cloud part, as you can see here. And then we give you some sort of introduction with some important links, with some to set some context, right, about the Microsoft Sovereign Cloud story. We give you the links to documentation, but also to the different types of technology there. For example, the landing zones, sovereign landing zones, some of the encryption technologies used, Azure Local, Azure Confidential Compute, and so on. And here, as again, you can see the different challenges we offer in the microhack and what you can basically do here as well. We also give you some cost estimation because this is going to be deployed in your own Azure subscription. Now, if you're going to one of these events, the subscription are usually provided as well, right? But if you're doing this as self-paced learning, this is going to be deployed in your subscription. So just keep that in mind as well. But if you're going to one of these events, usually they provide you the subscription, again, depending on the requirements and who is driving the event. But again, there is some cost estimation on how much actually these challenges will cost you for using this. And again, I think most costs, just to be very clear, is coming from challenge number 7, because that's where we basically give you an Azure Local in a sandbox environment in Azure. So we're deploying a very large virtual machine using Jumpstart Local Box, and that is basically a virtual instance of Azure Local, which you can makes it possible for you to try out Azure Local without actually having to touch hardware or provide hardware at all. So again, very great guide here. Again, I want to highlight also the contributors to this project, which really helped writing these different challenges. So really great work. And again, we're still continuing to improve and add more based on requests and things we see with Microsoft becoming new technologies available and so on. So just to take an example here, let's go to, for example, encryption. Go to challenge 2, encryption at rest with customer managed keys in Azure. So if we go to the challenge here, this basically describes the challenge, and you can find some additional resources here. And then if you click on the solution view, basically this then is a complete guide on what you need to do, right? So you basically really can go through, it explains it tells the different tasks you need to do. You have the specific scripts or commands basically to really deploy this with the CLI or with the portal as well, but really at the end have a solution ready for you to use. There's also some guidance at the end. Okay, what are the next steps and where can I find more information? So I hope this was helpful and you could learn what the Microsoft Sovereign Cloud MicroHack is and how you can actually leverage it to build your skills for the Sovereign Cloud.